start again. It's a red stick.
Welcome back to another video. So I've got something cute today, look. So this is an all-in-one French nail extension gel kit from Tobe Glam. Gosh, that was a mouthful. Hello gorgeous, we're glad to meet you here. So let's have a nosy. So we've got a cute I love their packaging. It's always a little bit extra, isn't it? So this is your instruction manual. Make sure you read this, guys. If you do get this kit, make sure you read it and how they want you to kind of do it. So we get two lots of tips. These are long coffin. You get a set of long coffin. I think there's 100 of each, and then you get 100 of these stiletto ones. I'm going to use the coffin ones today. So we've also got some SS6 rhinestones, 1400 in there. They're just little glass transparent rhinestones. And we've got a gem picker upper, rhinestone wax picker, pusher, thingy-majiggy, and it's pink. Then we've got, right, this absolutely broke me. It did. So it comes with a beauty blender. And this is supposed to be a hack to do French tips kind of thing. That's me just kind of having a little test. Right, you get your 100-180 grit file, and then we have got a base coat 8mm, top coat 8mm. I like their top coat, it's a thick one. And then you get a white gel polish. It's called Basic. So this is obviously to do the French tip. I like that. It's a quirky little put together kit. I like it. So you get your Polygel brush. I love the branding on it and the little silver flowers. Aren't they cute? So it's just a rounded gel brush. Nice thin brush actually. I like it. I do enjoy using Tobe Glam's Polygel brush. And then you've got your spatula thingy on that end. So this is the tubes of Polygel it comes with. Love it and classic. They are 15mm, foil sealed. So I'm just going to do a quick swatch on this lint-free wipe just to quickly see the colours and decide which one to use. Aren't they nice colours? Really, really nice colours. Nothing too bright in your face. They're just nice pale pinks and nudie pinks, aren't they? So you also get your little mini lamp. So there's everything in this kit, really, you would need to do a set of Lazy Girl nails. It's a Lazy Girl kit, isn't it, with the full cover tips. So that is the lamp. It's USB type 2. There's your little on off button. Right, so let's get into these nails, shall we? So the nails, they're not buffed inside. So I'm using a primer inside and it just gets rid of that shiny surface. You need to get rid of that shiny surface. So I'm going to use Classic. I'm starting with my pinky. I've not really prepped my nails properly because I am popping these off, but you will need to go in with your dehydrator and your bond, whatever system you use. Do that first. I haven't because I'm popping them off. So I'm filling that full cover tip, completely filling it. I want these quite long with the Polygel. This colour is Classic. Make sure you get it right up the sides of that tip so you don't have gaps. And then I'm just going to press that quite gently. You don't need to press too hard. You'll feel when it's fully attached. Just press it gently. Make sure it's nice and straight. And then I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'll do one more and then I'll do the rest off camera. Right guys, so that is all my nail tips on now, aren't they long? So long. So I'm just going to give them a little file. I'm just getting rid of any tackiness, mostly from underneath. Obviously there's no tackiness on top because the polygel's under that tip. And I'm just going to file. I like to file the tips, get them nice and squared off, nice and straight. And then I like to file around the cuticle area just to blend the edge of that tip in slightly, because you can kind of see the edge of the tip, can't you? So I like to go around the sides like that and then around the cuticle just to blend it in, and then I'm going to buff off all that shiny surface as well. Right guys, so that's them all filed and all buffed now, ready to start this sponge application French tip. Right, so in the instruction booklet and in the video, I think it was on Amazon I saw the video, they used a bag or cling film they advised to put over the sponge. Not sure if that's just so that it makes it reusable over and over, or if that's because it's easier, I'm not sure. So I'm doing what it says on the tin, and I'm going to use a bag over the sponge. So this is supposed to be a hack. A hack in my eyes is to make something easier or quicker. I think my problem was these nails are so long. I have seen a couple of the girls doing it on shorter nails and it works fantastic. Just like the jelly stamper hack. But look, I think these nail tips were so long, I really struggled. I did persevere for a second and just have a little play with it, and I kind of knew at this point these tips are just too long. But I thought, carry on, just persevere. So I thought I'll fill the edge of the tip in with the brush and kind of neaten it up around the edges. And then I quickly thought, is it like a hack? It should be quicker and easier, and it absolutely wasn't. Not for me with these long tips. I felt like I'm still going to have to go in with my detailer brush to neaten that up, which would have made it a long thing. So I thought, right, let's do a frame. I think that'll be easier because the tips are long. And again, I really struggled with it. And yeah, the tips were just too long. Like I said, I have seen a couple of the girls doing it on shorter nails, and they just boop, pressed it in and they had a perfect little French tip. They were just too long, and I could have persevered, I could have done it, but I didn't want to do it just for the sake of doing it when it was a long thing, wasn't working. So I tried to do a swipe look without the bag, and then look, the sponge just ate all my gel. So I gave up, guys. I gave up. Short nails, fantastic. Long nails, nope. So let's get some glitter out and some bling out and save the day. So stick some base coat on your pinky. This is what I did anyway. And I'm going to do a little glitter fade. This glitter's from Sparkle Supplies, I just showed you. I've got a 15% off code for them as well. It'll all be below. Everything I use today will be below. So I'm doing a glitter fade like this on my pinky and my pointer. And I'm going to stick some little sequiny bats and stuff on there as well. So that's all my little sequin bits cured. I'm going to use a sticker now. A little skull sticker with flowers in her hair. I'm going to stick her on that middle nail. And then I'm going to use a base coat over this sticker. I wanted to put a little star sequin on the tip of this nail, and then I'm going to use a clear builder in a bottle just to encapsulate these sequins and glitter, and I'm going to give them a cure for 60 seconds, and I've filed and buffed them off camera to get them nice and smooth. So now I'm just going in with a top coat. I'm going to get all these top coated and I'm going to bling them up. I'm going to use some of the little transparent gems that came in this Polygel kit, and I'm going to use some of my own gems as well. So I will let you watch and I'll be back at the end. There we go, guys. Did I salvage them or what? I think I salvaged them. When all else fails, get out your glitter and your bling. Do you know something though? It's actually a really cute little Polygel kit. I'd say it's a Lazy Girl Polygel kit for long nails and a French Manicure Polygel kit for short nails for sure. It definitely works. If you've got short nails, fantastic. Nails this length, no, it wouldn't have been a hack, it would have been a long thing. Anyway guys, that is it for today. These Polygel kits are available on Amazon, they're available on Tobe Glam website as well. If you do order from the website, take advantage of my discount code. I'll leave everything, all the details below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.